As far as the eye can see, and beyond, through all your senses, a sound can trigger a memory, a scent evoke a moment, a fleeting contact with a special surface bring back an entire universe. High-tech ceramic, born of the mineral world, mastered to perfection by Rado alone. A material so demanding that each step of its transformation must follow a strict, precise, unwavering process. Extreme temperatures make the material almost as hard as diamond. Diamond, the only material that can shape high-tech ceramic in those final stages. Visual perfection, uncompromising comfort, lightness and resistance to scratching. Rado nurtures every detail with great care to ensure that this material of tremendous mineral hardness becomes soft, perfectly smooth to the touch. As far as your senses may travel, Rado will be there with you in the unique, noble, sensual world of high-tech ceramic.